Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and now you want to downgrade to iOS 18, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to screen time, then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here if it is on. After this, go back and now go to general section and then go to software update, and from here tap on automatic updates and turn off the toggle for automatically install from here. Then go back and tap on beta updates, and from here turn off the beta updates from here. So guys, here if it is on iOS 26 developer beta, then tap on off and turn it off, and after this go back and now scroll it below all the way and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time. After this, go back and tap on erase all content and settings, and from here tap on continue and erase all content and settings on your iPhone. So guys, simply do this, and after this your device will be downgraded to iOS 18. So guys, in this way you can also downgrade your software to the iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.